Hello there and welcome to our look at the SKWOL Deck and Hull ceramic top coat. This CO2 ceramic spray sealant offers a much better finish than any traditional marine wax. It creates an incredibly hydrophobic shield that repels water and prevents salt and grime buildup. The advanced formula provides essential UV protection to keep your gel coat looking brand new. You can apply this spray quickly to achieve a professional shine with very little effort. Cleaning becomes much easier because dirt and contaminants will no longer stick to your boat. Protect your investment and enjoy a brilliant finish with this premium ceramic marine spray sealant. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.